Do you know you can actually monetize your channel using ChatGPT? I know, right? I'm going to be showing you a screen record of how you can actually go about that. Let me put on my screen recording. So I'm going to put it up on the screen and you guys can see. By the way, guys, I'm going to be using a channel. Okay, the screen record is supposed to up. Okay, yeah, the screen record is up. So I'm going to be using a channel that is not yet monetized because yeah, I'm teaching you how to get monetized. So this is like for tutorial purpose for people that are not yet monetized. So you can actually follow this process. So this channel I use it seldomly, like not all the time, just for like majorly for tutorial purpose and all. So let me show you how you can actually get it. So head over to, okay, let me give you a brief run through about this particular channel. So this particular channel is about, okay, let's assume this is lifestyle because I do a lot of things on this particular channel, but let's just assume for the purpose of this video that this is a lifestyle channel. So I'm going to click on customization. Yeah, so one, because for you to be able to get your channel monetized, first you need to properly optimize your channel. Some of us, our channels, they are not properly optimized. So once you scroll down, as you can see, the description is actually blank, like empty, nothing is there. So head over to ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, you can download it or you just check it online directly. So head over to ChatGPT and just type I am in the lifestyle niche. I'm trying my best to be fast on YouTube. Kindly help with, this is actually different from what I did before, SEO. Make sure you put SEO. I've said this before when I was making a video about ChatGPT. Make sure, because it can just generate a random description for you that is not search engine optimized. Kindly help with SEO description for my channel. You can go ahead to also include the name of your channel. The name of my channel is, so for the purpose of this video, let's just use Jaffe. So yeah, we'll wait for it to generate. As you can see, here is an SEO optimized YouTube channel description here. You can see, welcome to Jaffe, your go-to lifestyle channel. You guys can actually read all of this, but I don't want to be reading it because it will take our time. And I'm trying to be fast. So what I'm actually going to do right here now is to copy. So let me click on this, select text. So I don't want to copy all of the information. I just need the parts of the description. So I know some people said you should not put hashtag in your description, but I think to make it properly optimized, it is best to use hashtag. As you can see, even ChatGPT is recommending hashtags for you. So that once that is copied, I'm going to go back, come back here, click on paste. Okay. Yeah, so that has been done. So you can now like read through to make sure that everything is actually okay for you. Like I said, I'm not going to be reading through. So once that is done, make sure you save it. So where is the publish part? Because if you do not publish it, it's not going to be saved. Okay. So after your description has been done, the next thing, just go to this settings part, because this is like the first things first for you to do. Go to your channel. So as you can see, basic info, country of, let me bring it closer so you guys can see. Country of residence, you can actually go ahead to choose your country, like, or this, like when you choose your country, yeah, sometimes it affects where your views are coming from. So like me now, I'm in Nigeria. That's why most of the time my videos get to Nigerians. You get, sometimes it doesn't really work that way, but most of the time your country of residence affects where YouTube actually push your videos to. So if you want to get views from other countries, you can actually choose them. And when it's time for monetization, that's if you have someone in that country that can help you get your Google AdSense, you understand? Yeah, but that's that by the way. So I'm actually using Nigeria. Put your country. Yeah, so this is an important part to also these keywords. As you can see, I'm trying to, for these keywords you need 500 maximum characters. So you head over back to ChatGPT. Okay, let me go back. With comma, the way I put my prompt is actually funny, but then you guys know, with comma separating each tags with less than 500 characters, because you don't want it to be over 500 characters. Give me SEO. Remember, I'm adding SEO to everything. SEO tags for my channel. Yeah, we're not going to send it. As you can see, this is it. You can say lifestyle vlog, daily routine, self-care, wellness, personal growth, products. You guys can actually see, I don't want to be reading all of that. So what I'll just do is just click on copy code. So I'm going to head over back to the keywords. Remember, you guys can do this for your niche. Yeah, the one you have there currently might not be optimized. So, and if it's optimized, don't worry, then we'll go to the next. So once all of that is done, yeah, okay, sorry, I mistakenly clicked on that one. Yeah, so the once all of that is done, you can see this is 373. I'm trying to zoom it closer for you guys to see. This is 373, which is within the character, so we are good. So then you click on save to save the tags. Then let's go back. I actually like saving everything because sometimes you might think you have saved. So you go to this advanced settings. You can see for your audience, you can choose to review. I actually chose to review, but most of the time, if you know that your content is not meant for kids, you can just choose no automatic. Or yeah, if you want to review, it's fine, because maybe sometimes you might want to post for kids, but most of the time it's just best to choose no, or the ones that actually suit you. Yeah, so Google Ads account, the channel is not yet monetized, so I'm not yet linking anything. So advertisement, all of this, allow viewers to clip my content. Make sure this is actually ticked, because I remember one of my video I did on my entertainment channel that actually went viral. Like, because I allowed viewers to clip, I'm thinking maybe that was one of the reasons, because I think about 3 people actually did that. There was this movie trending then, so I actually made a video about it, and I saw that, wow, this was really giving me massive views. So third-party training, allow third party use. Like, if you want, I actually allowed, so it's your choice, but that's not actually important right now. So the feature eligibility, make sure all of this is actually enabled. So for you guys saying I'm struggling, I'm doing this, sometimes come here and confirm. It might not be enabled, like maybe just 2 might be enabled. You know, these 3 needs to be enabled for you to be properly optimized, and for your channel to be properly set for viewers. If not, you'll be restricting your views. You see the standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Yeah, so once all of that is done, then you now have to close. So you see, everything is done. There's nothing for me to add or do there. So once that means our channel is already properly. Oh, I forgot to show you guys something in the channel. I'm so sorry, guys. It skipped my mind. Upload default, sorry. In the upload default, the title, you don't need to put any title, because your titles will be changing, right? But you see this description is optional too if you want. Visibility, please don't always go public. People that used to just post video and go public, give it time. At least let the algorithm process your video. Then for the tags, this is where I'm actually coming to. This is why I forgot. The tags also needs to be here. So you saw that tags we kept there, you can actually still come here and paste them here. I hope they are still copied. If not, I'll go and, okay, they are still copied. So the tags, you still come back here and paste it, so that it will reflect in all of your videos. So once all of that is done, then you are now, like, your channel is now properly optimized for monetization. So now is here, we now head over to the next step. Let me end this screen recording and let's talk about the next step. So the next step, this is where the work actually starts, because as you can see, we just gave ChatGPT the prompts and it just gave us all of this in the twinkle of an eye, and everything is already set. So this is where the hard work actually starts, which is locking yourself in this niche for 60 days. Lock yourself in. When I mean lock yourself in, even though you are saying, oh, I don't want to be posting every day, I don't have the time, I can't be posting every day, make sure you are posting at least 3 times in a week. In a week, if you are posting less than 3 times, you are not yet serious. I will be very, very factual with you. Make sure you are posting 3 times at least. If you can post every day, that is perfect. because you're giving yourself in 60 days, if you're posting every day, you are giving yourself 60 different opportunities to actually blow up, because you don't know the video that can actually pick up and go viral. You don't know the video, but you know that your channel is optimized for visibility, which is what we have actually dealt with. Because sometimes you can be putting out content, you can be posting every day, but you are not still getting that visibility, and you might have even stayed on YouTube for more than 60 days. That's because your channel might not be optimized properly yet. But once you have done this optimization, lock yourself in for 60 days. Post, if you can post every day, that is perfect. But if you cannot post every day, at least the minimum you should do 3 times in a week. Long form videos, I'm not saying shorts, maybe short videos. Long form videos. Long form video is at least 8-minute videos. Any video from 8 minutes, that's what I consider long form videos. So do that and see how YouTube is actually going to push you out, skyrocket you. Just try that for 6 days. Put it out as a challenge. This channel is not monetized yet, the one I use for tutorial here, because I have other several monetized channel, but I don't want to be using that. Like, I want us to be on the same page right now. So I'm also going to be going on this challenge with you guys. I'm also going to be locking myself in for 60 days, which is going to be starting from today. Yeah, I'm going to be posting on this particular channel. I might not be able to be doing it every day because I have other monetized channel I'm focusing on, but I'm going to be posting the minimum, which is 3 times a week. And then we'll come back after 60 days to review this. Yeah. So, which I'm so confident that after doing all of this, you can actually get your channel monetized, as long as you're consistent and you're posting valuable content. Just make sure that your content has value. Just whenever you want to post a video, think about it and say, this particular video that I'm actually making, can I watch it again? I know, like, sometimes I have made a video before that when I watch that video, I don't even want to, like, that was in the past though, I don't even want to keep on watching. I used to skip it. Like, I'll just skip. Imagine my own video. So imagine other people watching it. We don't even, if me that created the video cannot enjoy. So when you that created the video, you cannot sit down, enjoy the video, and watch it again over and over, then you have not yet started. But the moment you start watching your own video and you enjoy watching it again, and you can watch it again, even the next day, you can still be like, let me watch my video. And like, you can feel entertained watching your video. You feel relaxed watching your video. Whenever you are bored or tired, just the way you pick up your phone to watch, you can click on your own channel and watch your video and feel happy and feel relaxed. Then that's when you're actually doing well and giving out value. So with that being said, if you're going to be joining this challenge with me, let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Let's know how we are working together, so that we can actually be like giving ourselves, like be gingering ourselves, because in this life, we all need that motivation. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube actually paid me for one of my videos. Like, I think this video is actually getting so long and I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to be showing you to encourage you. So in case if you are thinking that, let me relent, let me rest, you will see that it is actually worth it to do YouTube. I'm going to be doing that in my next video. All right, see you again in our next video. Bye, guys.